All right, guys, today we're opening up the 2022-23 Revolution Asia Team-All. Luka Doncic on the box, 12 cards, 1 pack. Just like always, hoping for Paolo, maybe some Holo gold. Something low numbered would be nice. Kind of struck out on the Spectra, but I've got this and Chronicles left. So hopefully I get something good. Oof, nice fat pack. All right. So first one is a Vortex, Kevin Durant. Okay. Jabari Walker, rookie card. I just got him in, I think, the Mosaic product. Don't even know anything about the guy. Bradley Beal. Alperen Sengun. LaMelo Ball. And this one is gold. There it is, numbered to 10. Very nice. Wish it was a player I like better than LaMelo Ball, but I will take it. Very nice. And there, Jeremy Sochan rookie card next up. That one's numbered to 75. That's nice there. Hoping that next to, I like Sochan. I'm hoping that next to Chris Paul and Victor Wembanyama, oh my goodness, can't say this guy's names, that he plays well. Mark Williams. I just got him in the Spectre. That one's not numbered, base rookie. Evan Mobley, base. Chris Middleton, Andrew Wiggins, and Gordon Hayward and Donovan Mitchell. Those are all base. So that's the box there, guys. Not too bad. Got a gold in there. LaMelo Ball. Jeremy Sochan rookie is nice. The Mark Williams will probably go up as a lot on with the Spectrum one I got, but not bad. Thanks for watching, guys.